can we put some brown coolant in your car?
Oh man, I work out today. It's very often. Oh, fuck me, that's so
What a
funny.
workout! Dude, what the fuck? It's the best thing ever. Is it all brown?
Yeah. Look what came out of the radiator, man.
Ew!
You know what it fucking is?
Rust!
The radiator is fucking rusted.
They flushed it out twice. How the fuck does it still got shit in it?
It's still fucking rusty. Clearly.
It was.
Mother of God.
Can I make a prediction? This car will win the scavenger hunt.
Yeah.
Because
I just imagine
having a car break down during the scavenger is going to be worth like 1,000 fucking points, and it'll just happen.
No, no, it'll be sweet.
That's how I laughed that time the car went to start.
Exactly.
Is that okay?
Oh, fucking excellent.
Oh, I figured out who James was as well. Oh crap. You assy.
Dude.
No, just take the other one out.
Oh yeah, we'll find out how that one came off.
No, don't.
Put it in. No, flip it. Flip it around.
Fuck me, that's so good.
Maybe it's upside down.
No, I've already tried that.
It only goes ring one way. I'm sorry, dude. Oh, that's fucking excellent.